All right, so we're moving forward right here. Oh, big vehicle, line of sight problems. We don't know what their intentions are right here. Either escape to go straight or decelerate. Oh, shoot. That could have been bad. That could have been bad. Actually, somebody sent me a video real quick. I just want to talk about this real quick. Somebody sent me a video, and it's the fatality of a motorcyclist going into the wheel well. And I'm not showing it obviously today. I will go ahead and show it a little bit later. The main thing here is I don't want you guys to play around with big vehicles like this. That fatal accident was no fault of the motorcyclist. It just shows how easy it is for a vehicle like this to really destroy you. Doesn't matter what kind of gear you're in. So be very careful when it comes to that. So right here, this is what I want to point out. So we're moving forward, we're moving forward. This is going to be that turning that we're going to have to do. We have the chevrons. It's going to indicate it's a turn. We also have this big vehicle blocking a lot of line of sight. So one thing we got to really watch out for is that this tunnel is going to reduce a lot of our vision and then a lot of our escape path. You can already see what we have here. We don't have a big shoulder to the right. This vehicle is going to take up a lot of room to the left. No vehicles are supposed to go across this solid white line, I'm assuming. But the thing is, I don't trust what other people are doing. I trust what I can do. I don't know what training this person has. I know what training I have. I know what I can do in terms of positioning versus what he's going to do and allow me to have. So I'm going to kind of stay back here. Unless he's going really super, super slow, then I'm going to make adjustments. But I'm not going to pass on turns. I hate passing on turns if I can't see. If I can see, I will pass on turns. But right here, I can't see. So you notice how it's a line of sight problem. You can't see around this vehicle because he's blocking the vision. Now, this could be a mountainside. This could be a building. So be very careful with that. Now, positioning for safety, I'd be more over here on the right. So we talk about outside, inside, outside when it comes to going fast around curves and stuff like that. Well, the outside portion is going to give you the best line of sight. I don't like to go all the way to the inside and then go back to the outside. I like to do more of a middle, 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 or outside, middle, outside. That's going to allow me the best vision going into the turn. It's going to give me the best space cushions away from traffic and the shoulder on the side that I'm turning from if I stay in the middle. And then outside again is going to give me good vision, or I'll just pick whatever positioning I want after that. But definitely outside, middle out, and then wherever I want to go on the way out. But right here is you notice that he's going to be doing this. Okay, he's going over that white line. So right here, what do? We can do multiple things. We can decelerate, which is going to be just braking or downshifting for engine braking, or we can accelerate, hopefully, and get through there. But what's on the other side? I'm going to play with what I know. I know what's behind me. I know what's right here. I'm going to decelerate. I'm not going to accelerate through because I don't know what's on the other side. Now, we notice that there's somebody behind us. Now, I'm doing this because if you had a Cardo Pack Talk Bold, Slim, Free Com, whatever, thank you, Cardo, for sponsoring this channel. You can talk to him, be like, hey, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, because this is what's going to happen if you don't. Now, you hear the honking. That's not going to help you out. Like I said, you can accelerate through. Let's get that over there. You can accelerate through if you felt like it, but thankfully this person heard you. I would have decelerated and braked because this person's going to go anyways. Look, 1, 2, and then you got all these other wheels which have lug nuts, the lug nut rule. So this guy right here got very lucky. Guys, you need to watch where you're going. I don't pass on corners for this specific reason. If he fell in the wheel well, the truck wouldn't even be bouncing. It would just literally just squish you and you pop. It's like popping a zit. You're going to fly off. All your guts are going to fly against the wall right here. Serious. Got very lucky. Very lucky. So on the corners, the what thing we can take away from this, let's go ahead and take a look at it real quick. I want to point out the one thing right here. As soon as you see this, it should put you in orange stage. It's a corner plus a big old landmine right here. Very, very, very careful. Don't pass yet. Wait until you get into the tunnel. Wait until you see that where you're going, and then go ahead and pass. Just wait a little bit. There's no rush. Absolutely no rush.